Nothing says off-road like the F-150 SVT Raptor. For 2013, the SVT Raptor introduces a factory-installed beadlock-capable wheel for serious off-road enthusiasts. This 17-inch forged aluminum wheel combines the proven reliability of a conventional wheel with the capability to convert to a true beadlock.
A beadlock-capable wheel is actually a wheel that you can take from a conventionally mounted wheel and tire system and convert it to a true beadlock configuration. And Ford SVT created the first optional package beadlock wheel. And a beadlock, for those that aren't familiar, is actually a way to mechanically lock the tire into the wheel. So there's no way for the tire to actually escape from the wheel and lose all pressure.
The beadlock-capable wheel is intended for customers who enjoy extreme off-road conditions.
When you talk to off-roaders, they'll talk about how low tire pressure is the key to getting over a really rough obstacle. And so you could go over an obstacle and the tire could be forced completely off the wheel and you lose all pressure and your day is ended. You're totally stuck in the middle of a trail somewhere. So with a bead lock, you're able to have that mechanical lock that will not allow the tire to move anywhere, and you can still use a really low tire pressure to get over those tough obstacles.
There are several benefits to the Ford beadlock-capable wheel.
When you unbolt the trim ring, as we call it, from the factory, you'll see there's actually 24 drilled and tapped holes hidden beneath that ring. And those 24 holes actually accept the beadlock ring kit from Ford Racing. So you'll want to go to Ford Racing, contact your Ford Racing rep, buy the beadlock ring kit, which comes with the ring, the bolts, and detailed mounting instructions. You use those instructions to actually mount your tire on the outside of the wheel now. You actually remount your tire on the outside with the ring kit. And the ring kit is actually pretty special. It's actually a patented design that has a new feature in it to wedge the tire into the wheel, and by doing that you actually have better long-term sealing than an aftermarket design. You also have less maintenance because a common thing with beadlocks are you have to always look at the bolt torque, make sure the bolt torque is tight. These you really don't have to. Our testing has shown that the bolt torque has been quite consistent throughout the vehicle life. And then also you get better wheel and tire balance. So for the guy that wants to make sure his wheel and tire is balanced correctly, you don't have to throw a bunch of weights on there to get the thing to balance. And so those are some of the benefits you get. It's not just an aftermarket beadlock, but it has true, a greater capability and OE style design for the true beadlock.
It's important to remind customers that a true beadlock wheel is only approved for off-road use, so they must convert back to the conventional mode or change tires before returning to the road.
This is a true off-road only tire. But the guys that buy the beadlock in the first place already know that. They already know that the off-road use only goes with a beadlock. So, for the customer that gets the wheel, they'll just have to be educated to know that, well, either you're going to have to convert back when you get on road, or you take a second set of wheels and tires with you as your dedicated off-road tires.
And since these wheels are a Ford option, customers will appreciate knowing the design has passed several grueling Ford verification tests, including the Raptor Off-Road Durability Test in Borrego Springs, California. Now that's built Ford tough. For more information on the 2013 F-150 SVT Raptor, be sure to go to fordracing.com and eSourcebook.